Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making key lime pie. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3/4 cup of key lime juice, 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of lime zest, 7 tablespoons of butter, and 12 ounces or 1.5 packs of Biscoff cookies. Place your cookies into the food processor, then pulse until they have turned into fine crumbs. Now pour in the melted butter and mix until it's well combined. Pour the mixture into the pie dish. Now, using the back of a spoon or a flat measuring cup, press the crumbs evenly across the bottom and up the sides. Now transfer it to the preheated oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees and allow it to cook for 12 minutes. While your pie crust is cooking, let's make the filling. Combine the sweetened condensed milk, key lime juice, sour cream, and lime zest. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe and also check out some of my other recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I've provided a link in the description below. Add your pie filling to the pie shell, then transfer again to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove it from the oven and garnish with lime zest. After your pie is cooled, place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft